welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to host a Minecraft Java server on your phone. It needs to have Android 10 or above for it to work. So if you have a lower version of Android, don't try it because something can go wrong. It doesn't need to be rooted at all, and it needs to have a browser. For me it's Chrome, and in the Play Store. I'm gonna recommend hard reset the device, so you have all the space and all the RAM free for the server. So you're gonna have all the power you need. The server, the phone needs to have like 3 to 4 gigs or above, so you can give the server the most RAM for hosting. And you need like 4 or 5 gigs of space. So let's begin. I'm gonna use a keyboard so I don't cover the screen up with my hand. So as you can hear, I'm not really English or American, I'm German, so I cannot really speak like that good English. So the first thing you need is to go on the Play Store and install a few apps. The first app you need to install is Linux. So you can install like Linux on the Termux emulator. So yeah, I'm gonna just install that. And after that you need to install files. It's an app so you can access the Termux partition or Termux folder. You can't really do it with other file managers, and that one is really good, so I'm gonna just install that. Make sure it's by mod, apps and software. So install that, and the final app you need is Total Commander. It's for editing the txt or the server.properties files and other YAML files. It's called Total Commander. Just click on that and make sure it's by c.geisler or what his name is, and just install that. After that, just head to the browser you want to use and just type in papermc 1.20.1 or the version you want to use. There are many server softwares you can use. One of that is papermc. There are Spigot. There's also Spigot. I'm going to use papermc because it's fast and you can host plugins in it. I don't recommend a Java server, so a vanilla server, because it's not so efficient like the papermc server and you can install plugins to it. So just head to papermc.io and install the newest build or that build you want to use. If you want to use an older build, you can go to the changelogs or to the build explorer. So after that you need to install playit.gg for port forwarding. If you don't want to port forward, you can do like other things. So you're gonna click on the first link, and after that you have a few options here. You need to click on Linux and scroll a bit down and download the Edge 64 version. So after it downloaded, you gonna go to the browser again and download Termux. It's a terminal emulator so you can run Linux and the server on it. You're gonna just type Termux and click on enter, and you need to go to the F-Droid repository and open that. And after you're in Termux, you need to scroll a bit down until you find the newest release. My language is in German, so it's a bit tricky to understand, but you need to download the newest version. For me, it's the version 0.1 0.118.0 and just scroll a bit down to the end and click on download the APK. After it's installed, you need to open that. There's a few problems. If you don't have an APK installed before, you need to change the settings. So if you're gonna click on that, they say it's not secured, and then you go to the settings and scroll down to Chrome and just enable that. And if you have installed APKs, you know how it works, and you need to just click on install. So I'm going to close that and wait till Termux is installed. So after it is installed, you're going to open that for a fresh new start. You're going to click on allow and just type one command like cd, and you need to close that. Then you're going to click on N Linux. After it opened, you're going to click on I understand and close, and after that on dashboard. Then you're going to click on choose and choose Ubuntu. It's recommended for beginners, but it's really good to run software like Plate.gg or Java, and just click on OK. After you clicked on OK, you just need to copy that and launch it. So after you're here, you're going to long click and just paste. After that, you need to type in enter and it should install like normally. If you have like an error it's not a real command, just type in another command like cd, like I did before, and then you need to paste it in. And so after that opens, you need to type in this button here. It's normally there, but that's the German keyboard. So yeah, you're gonna click on enter and it should install like normally. Then you need to wait a bit. So we can just open the files and then just head to downloads. In here you need to click on play it and rename it to something you can remember. For me it's play it. You need to remember that because the commands need to open that one. So yeah, you can't use any spaces or else it doesn't work. So I'm gonna use play it. Just use play it if you don't know what you're doing. So the commands that I'm gonna show you are the same. On the paper you're gonna need to rename it to server. You can rename it how you want, but that's not the server name, so don't irritate. It's just the name of the file that you need to open to start the server. I'm gonna let it be server. Wait a second. Rename and rename it to server. And if you don't know what you are doing, just let it be server, so you don't have any errors up there. So after it has installed, just type in /start ubuntu.sh and just click on enter. Wait a second, I did something wrong. /start-ubuntu.sh and just click on enter. After that you need to it appears root and localhost. So here you need to go to the file section and copy the server file. Not that one that we need that later. We just gonna need to copy that. Just after that you need to just click on Termux and you can't open the Ubuntu FS folder. If you can't open the Ubuntu FS folder, just open it like that. Just long click it and just open it in a new window. So then it opens. Then you're gonna adjust the root folder. Just long click that and open it in a new window. After that, you need to make a new folder and rename it something like server. You need to remember that. So wait, I misclicked. New folder, name it server, and just click on OK. Oh, wait a second, I need to reload that. Reload it. So yeah, I just made 2 folders. Sorry, I'm gonna delete that one. So just reload it. After that, you need to open the folder and just paste the server file in. So you have it. After that, you need to head back to Termux and type in cd and the folder name. For me, it's server. If you don't know what you are doing, just let it be server, because that's the easiest. So that one. And after that, you need to install Java, and this is a bit tricky. So you need to type in apt-get update and just click on enter. After that, it should install all the new repositories and updates. So you just need to wait a bit. It's finished. So after that, you need to type in apt install and software minus proper, wait a second, properties minus common, and just click on enter, and it just need to install that one. And if you want to continue, you just need to type in this and just click on enter. And after that, you should install some things that are required to run Java. So after it is installed, you need to type in another command that is gonna install the OpenJDK repository. So it is just add -apt minus wait a second, add -apt minus repository yeah, I did no mistakes, and just type ppa and 2 points and OpenJDK -r/ppa and just click enter. You need to wait a bit for it to work, so just wait. If you gonna here you're gonna type just enter. So after it is finished, you need to install Java. The newest release that works for now is OpenJDK 19. So the command is apt-get install OpenJDK -19 -JA. Wait, I made a mistake by install, and just click enter. Oh, my battery is draining out. I'm just gonna take no thanks. Well, that took a long time. So after it is installed, you can check it if you type Java, and it should make a really long list of Java commands. So there you can see I installed Java. So herein you're gonna need to start the server. For that you need to type in -jar server.jar. So that works. So you're gonna see a lot of errors. That these are not bad errors. These are common because I use a Termux emulator. So yeah, there you need to agree to the EULA to run the server. So you're gonna click on that and just scroll a bit there. You're gonna see a bunch of files that are open, but you're gonna need to open the EULA.txt and open it with the talk commander. And just accept that and set the EULA to true. After you've done that, you need to save it here and just click on back. There, it should work. If you open it with it again, you're gonna see it's set to true. So then you're gonna head back to Termux and just click up like this here. So you're gonna have the command you used, the latest command you used, and just click on enter. And after that it should start normally like any other server. So it's gonna start here. I'm just gonna open a new session for play.gg that you can port forward. I'm gonna let it run a bit. So yeah, the server started. You can check it by typing in help or something, and you're gonna see that it started. You can just access it from your own network by knowing your IP, and it's just a Java server right now. If you want to have Bedrock support in it, you need to install a plugin called GeyserMC, and to port forward that one, you're gonna do a new tunnel on play.gg. So I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna go to files and go back to downloads. Here I'm gonna copy play.gg, like long click on that so it opens that, and copy it, and just head back to download. Wait a second, it doesn't work. Here, and go to Termux and open Ubuntu FS in a new window, root in a new window, and just make a new folder here and name it play it it, or something you can remember. After that, you just need to click OK. You can actualize it, or how you call it, and open that in a new window. There you need to paste the plate.gg file, and you have it in there. So after that, you head back to Termux. Just swipe from left to right and click on the second instance. Here you're gonna type dot and slash and type in start -12.sh and just click enter. After that, you're gonna type cd and play it. Just click enter, and you need to type in 2 commands. The first one is chmut and plus. Wait a second. Hey, no, I don't want to open music. Why did it open that? Chmut and not play. Plus and an X and just play it. That's the file you made. So we are gonna make it so you can just open the file that you pasted in the folder. So then just click enter. You don't need to download anything, it just happens directly. And after that, you're gonna need to type in a point and that slash and just the file you pasted in. That's the name. For me, it's play it. So there you have a link. You need to open the link so you can log in and play it and make a new tunnel. Just type on more, and no, you just need to copy that one and go to Chrome. Then you go to the browser. It should load a bit. You're gonna open a new tab and just paste the new URL in and just click enter. So after that, it should load a bit. So you need to log in or create an account. I'm just gonna do it real quick. I'm just cut it here, and after I logged in or created an account, I'm gonna show you how to make the tunnel. So I logged in, so it just needs to check for the agent after you log in or just create an account. You can just type in a random email by after you create an account. It doesn't need to be the exact one you use, because you don't really need to how is it called, like verify your email. So after it loaded, you just need to click on continue, and where agent type is, you're gonna type default agent and add agent. After that, you just need to load a bit. It's checking if it's online. So yeah, a tunnel is running. There it's gonna say you need to verify your email, but you don't really need to do that. It works without. So the step 4 is creating a tunnel. For that, you just need to click on create a tunnel. On tunnel type, you can select Minecraft Java, because you want to connect with Minecraft Java. If you want to connect with Minecraft Bedrock, select Minecraft Bedrock, but first you need to paste the code, not the command. You just need to have a plugin named Geezer MC, and if you want to verify that they're online players or real players, you need to have Floodgate in it. So there are many good tutorials on YouTube. You can just watch one, and remember that you need to create a tunnel, not without steps. Just go on the website where you are logged in with the account, just click on tunnels and just create one and make it a bedrock tunnel. So the region is that one, and you just need to add the tunnel. Then it should load the tunnel. It's pending. You can go back to Termux and look. Yeah, I think it worked. That's your address. So it's gonna give you an address. Like for me, it's act-magical.gl.joinmc.link, and that's the address you need to join it with Minecraft Java. So if you're closing your phone or something, the app should be still opened. If not, you just gonna need to type in the commands for play.gg, like cd, play it, and then the dot, the slash, and play it, and you're gonna open that one. You don't need to configure anything more. It just works. If you configured it one time, like set an email up one time or logged in, it works. So the server is running. You can just customize it how you want. Like the server is like that. You just can type TPS to check the TPS. It's like really good. It's 19.95. I think it's really fast, so I run the server for it in my class, but it worked really good. I had a bed, I used Multiverse to have many worlds, and the WordPress plugin to have many worlds, and with a few plugins I have had a bed wars mode and a custom world with a custom world generator. Like Terraform Generator is a cool plugin, and you can just add a data pack if you want. Like Terralith is a cool data pack for a custom world generator. There are many more that I forgot. So that was of making a server. To give yourself commands, you just need to type OP and just type your name in the server, like server underscore zone. That's my channel name. So if your name in Minecraft, your Minecraft Java name is server zone, you need to type OP and then server zone, or like your name you want to use. I'm gonna show you real quick real gameplay of the server while charging the phone. Guys, I'm back. So I just pasted the address of my server that I just run on my phone, and I'm gonna click on done and just open that. That's a clean instance of Minecraft 1.20.4, so there are no mods or other things here. Yeah, you can see that it works. It's really direct. So I gave myself OP so I can execute commands, and yeah, it looks really good. You can lower the render distance because it's not so fast with rendering the terrains and chunks. So yeah, just lower the render distance so it can load a bit faster. And yeah, if I load many chunks, it can lag a bit, so that you can see that in the TPS. That's a cool world. So yeah, it works like normal. It's really fast too. I connected with the play.gg with the open address, not with the local one. It could be faster with the local one, but the open address that I bought forward with play.gg is fast enough to make a fully playable experience. Like, you need to give this address to your friends so they can join, and yeah, you have the server. You can join every time you want, and yeah, it shouldn't lag. Like if many people are online, like if 15 people are online or something, it could lag a bit, but it depends of your phone, of the strength of your phone. If you have like more RAM or better processor, better CPU, it could be better. So yeah, that's an old phone. Like the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is a really old phone, so that's really good that it's so fast. There are many variants that where you can make in MinecraftServer with on your phone with an APK it's like with an app that's called PocketMine MP server or PocketMine server. No, it's called Pocket Server, I remember. And yeah, you can make a Bedrock server with this app, but it doesn't work with Java. Here you can have a crossplay server with EasyMC, and it isn't based on PHP, so you can have the freedom of installing Java plugins. PHP isn't so... there aren't many plugins on PHP, so Java server is much better than a Bedrock server running on your phone. It has a good performance too, even if it runs on emulator. Like it's running with 20 TPS and there are no problems, there are no lags, even if there are loaded many mobs. As a small test, I can make a small TNT explosion. Yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Just dig down. Oh no, I don't want a dirt block. I don't need a dirt path. Or maybe I can do that with stone. So I'm gonna close that here and just paste this minecarts. So you can see if the server lags out or something. You can see it with my FPS. It swings every time I place another minecart. So yeah, I have VSync enabled. I think I have VSync enabled, yeah. So because I have a 60 Hertz monitor, it doesn't go up. I think that's enough. I can break that, just go up and fall down there. Just as you know, I have 20 TPS on the server. Doesn't explode. There we go. 20 TPS, it doesn't shrink, even though it's a really big explosion. It was a really big explosion. So there you have it, a good server on Android phone. And there were other I just want to make clear there were other videos that inspired me, but they didn't have a Linux emulator on it, so it has only Java 17, and you can only have up to 1.18 server with Java 7 with that pre-release of Java 17. So that with a Linux emulator that should cover all the versions you need. If it doesn't work because it's like 2025 or something, just change the Java 9. Just change like when I install Java 19 to Java 20. Maybe it's out then. If the video could help you, please smash the like button and subscribe. Yours, Server Zone. Bye.